guys, it's Jazzy here. Today I'm going to be making another Christmas DIY. I have enough supplies to make 2 DIYs, but I'm only going to be making 1. And the other one is going to be the exact same so I can have a pair. Let's get into it. First we have to decorate our ornaments, so I'm going to pull out my glitter stickers. I cut my foam so I can glue them on so then I can attach my flowers. And now I'm just going to glue them on. We're going to keep adding flowers to our foam to make it look pretty. I'm just going to put my last flower, and I think that will be enough. And now I'm just going to add my ribbon to the top so I can hang it up. Ooh, that's not good. Okay, now we're going to cut my ribbon so it's the perfect length and we can hang it up. As I was doing this project, I realized that you should probably make your foam a bit thicker so that, because we have to use a lot of glue to keep our flowers in place. As I told you guys, I have enough supplies to make 2, so I'm going to make a pair. This is very cute. I love the outcome. I can't wait for Christmas to hang this up. This is so cute. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And remember to always stay tuned to this channel. Jazzy the Great, period.